This video showcases our high-efficiency packaging line, designed for liquid detergent, laundry soap, and cleaning products. This turnkey solution covers the entire process, from filling to final case packing. Servo piston filling machine, equipped with high-precision piston cylinders, perfect for handling viscous liquids, like laundry detergent and dish soap. The anti-drip nozzles ensure a clean filling process, with no leakage. Automatic tracking capping machine, featuring high-speed follow-up capping technology. It caps the bottles while they are moving, ensuring higher efficiency and stability. Drop case packer automatically arranges bottles and drops them into cartons. A heavy-duty solution for end-of-line automation.